social justice initiatives, and even stepping into an area of education.
Yes.
And very unique partnerships, particularly around the future of work, which when we think about inequalities, when we talk about the racial wealth gap, when we talk about who gets to build the future, who gets to imagine a future, a lot of times when we think about the folks who are left out, that is women, that is other marginalized folks of color, who don't necessarily get access in the same way that some of our counterparts do. And there's a particular emphasis on unique partnerships in order to create, upskill, reskill, or even teach particular skill sets that are going to be found in the future. Can you speak to that a little bit more?
Yes, and so it's an incredible observation and an insight. You know, let's start with our historically Black colleges and universities, which are national treasures, and we have to surround our HBCUs and ensure that we continue the pipeline. And part of that, yes, is investing in the pipeline for development to make sure that we're hiring, but there's a bigger part to this picture. And so at Google, I lead an HBCU President's Council, and one of the things we're doing in addition to creating opportunities for internships and hiring is we are helping to amplify research opportunities. And so I'm not sure if you know this, Sherelle, but out of the HBCU landscape, there are no HBCUs currently that are at R1 research standing. And that means that we have a stewardship responsibility to ensure that we're providing research opportunities, but research opportunities also, they don't just provide development, they also provide diverse voices, diverse ideas, diverse thoughts into cutting edge research. And we just launched an Applied Research Institute a couple of weeks ago in partnership with UNCF and TMCF, focused on HBCUs with mathematical and computational research to provide these hands-on opportunities. And with Spelman College, through Google.org, we provided a $5 million grant for a Women of Color STEAM database. No one else is doing this. And so Google developers, other HBCUs are partnering hand in hand with Spelman to create this database. And this is the type of opportunity that we have to continue to provide. And just, one other example, at Howard University, we have a partnership that we just announced. It's called Project Elevate Black Voices. So how many of you are familiar with automatic speech technology? And I don't know about you, sometimes I use it and it